Yeah? When your best friend's a baby turkey. What was that? That was a cocky. That was a wild cocky, wasn't it, Bubba? You going to turn around? Or are you going to do my hair? What are you doing? Hey? You funny girl. You're a funny little girl. I try to raise all my turkeys like this, so I sell them as pets, not for eating. Not eating, no. That they're pets. Look at her, how sweet she is. She's the sweetest little baby girl in the world. Yes, she is. Who'd want to eat her? I know some people would go, yeah, me. But not any of mine. You do not buy my turkeys to eat. Do you, baby? No. They're pets. And they're funny pets. And I tell you, they're good guard dogs. Because nobody would want to come in your house when you got 2 or 3 big turkeys come fronting up to the door of the car. I think this is Minnie's routine every morning. Just keep going. I'm just watching. Every single morning. Gotta beat the towels up. Don't ya, psycho? I'll move back a bit because she's not doing it properly because I'm there. When I first saw her doing this, I thought she was tangled in it. And then I realised she was bashing the towel up. She does this every morning. Don't you, crazy bird? Hey, Lola. You're a nut. Rosie doesn't want you teasing her. No, she doesn't. You're shocking. You're shocking. What are you doing on the phone? Oh, you're a crazy little girl. Nothing like going for a drive with your turkey. And Jerry Collector's parrot. Are you a Tweedlebird, Tiko? Are you a Tweedlebird? Makes him happy coming out in the car. That's right. Makes you happy, doesn't it, little buddy? Yay! I like to take the turkeys with me in the car because they get used to it, and then when I sell them, they're like super friendly and super tame and car savvy. That's right, little girl. You're so pretty. Yay! And she likes, this one just likes to be with me. Don't you, Bubba? Tiko's doing his cockatiel imitation. And there's the chicks. Pea chicks. Look at their mama. Growing up so good. Look at them, they're so cute. The little duck's getting, hey? She's still blind in one eye, but she can see not too bad out of the other eye, but she gets a bit confused. This eye on this side's not good. But the other one she's got sight in. And sometimes she runs into things. But she's okay, she's got a good bed. And when I bring her out here, I keep an eye on her. Make sure the others don't bully her. I'm just hoping she's not getting angel wing. But she doesn't get any bread, so yeah, I'm hoping her wings grow out normally. Because I have seen that with the other ducks, and then they sort of grow normal. But time will tell. She doesn't get bread from me. It might have come from her parents, because we know nothing about her parents and where she came from. Because she came, the lady bought her as some eggs from a market, and she hatched the eggs out, and this little one come out with dodgy eyes. So goodness knows what the parents were fed. Too much bread can cause angel wing, but yeah, I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see. Hopefully her wings grow out. If not, it doesn't matter. She's still a welcome member to the family here. Now, right, guys. And Tiko's having some time out here. Get some fresh air. Turkey's bringing you back. Don't bully her. Oh, my little duck. Come on, back over near your pond. Back over near your pond. Good girl. Nuh-uh, don't be a bully. You've got her on the blind side there. She can't even see you. Who's that? That's my turkey, and that's my blind ducky. Half blind ducky. Yes, and this one's jumped up because she doesn't want to miss any of the action. Such a character. This little duck. You're both getting so big, I'm not going to be able to sit you on my lap soon. Look at yous. Eh? Best buddies. Little turkey looks after blind ducky. Yeah, you prune her wings for her. Preen them. You stay there, duck. Oh. Stay here, ducky. There's the ducky. There's the little duck. It's the half-blind ducky and the baby turkey. Best buddies. Look how big she's getting. She's getting so big. Aren't you, sweetie? Yes, quack. But the others tend to pick on her a bit. They know that something's wrong with her, so it's all right. She can't see out of this side, but she can see out of this side. Don't stand on the turkey. No, don't stand on turkey, will you, duck? It's all right, little duck. It's all right, little duck. It's okay, little duck. I know you can't see, but that's okay. It's okay. Look after you. It's okay. I know. There's my little duck. Good little ducky. Good little ducky. I wanted to sit down and cuddle the baby ducky, who's half blind, so she doesn't forget who I am. And this one had to join in. She likes to sit on my shoulder because she's best friend. She's the one who grew up with the ducky, if you saw my other videos. You little duck. Sweet little duck. Yes, you are. You sweet little ducky. That's right, and there's your turkey. There's your best friend, your turkey. Yeah. Ow! Oh, God, I didn't need half my neck ripped off. She's so cute. She's the cutest little girl in the world. Yes, you are. You're the cutest little girl in the world. Who doesn't love the mini miner? Mini moo. Mini moo. You're so cute. Mummy loves you so much. Yeah. Mummy loves her little mini moo. Yes, she does. You funny little girl. You funny little girl. Yeah, you like to lick the phone, don't you, Bubba? Yes, you do. She likes to lick the phone.